Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will guide you for steel reinforcement in the construction of multi-slab. This is very important for you people to know about different technical terms and steel reinforcement, especially for the multi. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. This is paid services, not for free. Guys, you can see here, first of all, I will tell you the size of slab, multi-slab. So guys, you can see where the size is 17 feet 1.5 inches length and the width is 10 feet and 1.5 inches. So you can say that the size of the slab is 17 feet 1.5 inch by 10 feet and 1.5 inch. This is size of the multi. Guys, you can see here we have two types of beam. Okay, one is long beam, this is long beam, and this is short beam. Okay, so C1 is column, this is other C1, where we have four columns, right? So I will guide you in the details, so therefore watch this video till the end. Next, guys, you can see, but the beam is same. The steel reinforcement size and inside steel reinforcement and the size is same, because beam 4, and beam 4, long beam and short beam are the same size and same steel reinforcements. Now guys, you can see the second one is bottom continuous reinforcement multi-slab plan. So this is multi-slab plan. The size, column, everything is same, only you can see the main bars and distribution bars where they used 1/2 inch diameter of bar with the spacing of 9 inches center to center. The third one, guys, you can see, note all top extra bars. Guys, you can see we have extra bars here. The dotted lines can show you the extra bars, and this center line can show you the center of this beam. Okay, so note all the beam extra bars should be 1/2 inch diameter bar with the spacing of 18 inches center to center, and the supporting bars 1/2 diameter of bar with the spacing of what? 18 inches center to center. So top extra reinforcement multi-slab plan. So guys, you can see, first of all, I will guide you for the column. Where the column size is, guys, you can see these are 4 columns where the size of each column is 13.5 inches by 13.5 inches. Guys, you can see 13.5 by 13.5 inches, 13.5 inches by 13.5 inches. This is size of the column. So section A and section B, guys, I will guide you in this long section, and section A and section B also. So guys, you can see we have here 8 bars, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bars, and the diameter, guys, you can see 3 by 4 inch diameter, 3 by 4 inch diameter. Guys, you can see this is about 20, so this is about 20 millimeter of bar, and you can see now the 3 sutar bar, guys, you can see 3 by 8 with the spacing of 3 inches center to center. So let me focus the camera for you people, you will know everything properly. Okay, so now guys, you can see here the size is 13 by 13 inches. Okay, square column, and we have 8 bars, and the dia is 3 by 4 inches bar, and you can see now this is 3 sutar 3 by 8 with the spacing of 3 inches. Next, guys, you can see this is section A. The section B, guys, you can see everything is same, but only you can see overlapping, you can see in this. Okay, so if you see, guys, here this is its long section, because with the overlapping this is section B. So this is the lap splice. So the height is from the roof to the beam top, multi top, which is 10 feet and 6 inches, because 6 inches you can see here, this is thickness of the slab. Okay, so on the top of this is a slab, and beam you can also see, guys, here. Okay, so guys, these are the details especially for this one, and you can see here the steel reinforcement 3 sutar diameter with a spacing of 3 inches, and here you can see the other one 8 bars, and the dia is 3 by 4 inches. Okay, so guys, here now let me guide you. So this is a column. Now I will guide you for the beam. So guys, here you can see this is the beam. So let me zoom out it. So if you see, guys, this is the beam 4. So this is a long section, and beam 4 for all, guys, you can see short beams and long beams are the same thing. Here we have 2 sections, guys, you can see. First of all, I will tell you the size of the beam. So the size of the beam is, guys, here you can see clearly, which is 13.5 inches, and the depth is 12 inches. with the thickness of the slab, guys, you can see, which is 6 inches, so it's going up to 16 inches plus 6 inches slab. Right here we have two sections, section A and section 4B. So 4A and 4B. So guys, this section you can see, this is 4B and this is 4A. Near its support, this is 4A. At the middle, this is 4B. So you can see, guys, here at the section 4A, where, guys, you can see clearly we have 4 bars at the bottom. The dia is 5 sutur, 4 bars at the bottom, and the dia is 5 sutur. So let me zoom in. Now you can see width is 13.5 inches. We have 4 bars. The dia is 5 sutur, 5 by 8, and you can see 3 bars at the top. Same 5 number bar, and here you can see the stirrup details. So the stirrup 3 sutur with the spacing of 4 inches center to center. So here, guys, you can see this is 4A. So 4A here the spacing is 4 inches for the stirrups. But if you see the 4B, so guys, this is this is 4B. So the 4B is 8 inches spacing, guys, you can see here. And here the 4A, the spacing is closely placed because of near its support we have more shear stresses at the distance of 36 inches. So guys, you can see. So these are the details especially for this. So now let me guide you for the clear cover for the slab is 0.75 inches, clear cover for the beam 1.5 inches. Hook should be provided as per table of, so we have the table for this. So I will tell you that the hook should be bent on 135 degree minimum with 3 inches. Okay, so guys, this is some important details which I have discussed in front of you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.